Yeah, man, bad luck strikes from the start. Capsized the Mavic, so she went into the seawater. So we had to give her 3 bottles right down her throat. Had to wash her out. So I'm hoping the legendary Mavic being able to go underwater is held up today. So we're gonna be filming Martin here. He's gonna be out there with the unique drone. So just stay tuned, and until then, I'm gonna be having some margaritas and stuff. But Voyager 1 is down. Voyager 1 is down. So we're just gonna chill out here on the beach and have some margaritas. And there's Martin in the background flying the drone. Actually, let me see if I can get him to bring it by here. Yeah, so right now we're gonna drink one for me and 4 little downs for the drone. Man, I can't believe I dunked my drone right at first takeoff. And on top of that, got the finger in pain here. I don't know if that comes out on camera, but that's like the big ouch from the propeller. Wait, hold on, let me see if I can get this to show up. Yeah, that's like an ouchie. Yeah. But yeah, Abby's here chilling too. Abby, the drone pilot, world famous drone pilot, right here. And let me see if I can get Martin to bring it by here. So sorry, Voyager, you're gonna have to sit this round out. Hey man, bring it by, dude. I'm on selfie mode, just like hover in. You just don't like hit me in the face because my finger's already killing me. Ow. This thing's gonna like pop. I'm trying to like show, oh there it is. That should be showing up. I mean, so that's like a propeller blade. So never launched from the side of the boat. What happened is the waves blew it back in and I couldn't get it lifted off. So in a panic, I grabbed it thinking I'm gonna save some $20 propellers, and I winded up dunking it. Whoa! And there's the unique 500 behind me. How about that? This is Martin's original unique 500 that you saw it, also known as a Typhoon. I'm gonna actually get up here a little bit higher. We're already pretty high, but we're gonna go higher. All right, here. All right, there we go. All right, and he's filming my big crack. Yeah, he's filming. Oh, I'm getting crack filmed. There we go. There's behind me, man. The spy drones are real. Hey, buddy, film your own crack. That's right, everybody. I dunked my drone. I'd just like to announce it went underwater. I'm an idiot. So I had to pour 3 bottles of water. Now that's a tough decision. Should I just leave it like that, or should I try to help it out? So I washed it with 3 bottles of water. Yeah, I'm an idiot. Yeah, bring it, dude. Like, try to buzz me. You're a good pilot. I've seen your videos. I trust you. Right now, I could use a drone hitting me in the head. You know, that's the truth right there. Fly by, fly by. Like, toga, toga. I'm trying to be happy instead of like screaming mad. It's like, there he is. There he is behind me. Somewhere. There he is. Whee! It's kind of hard to see. Yeah, I'll tell you what, I'm just gonna stand here and, hey, there it is. And there goes my other finger. Alright, so that's the status right now. Oh, there he's just coming in. We're gonna get a close up. Oh! Haircut! Haircut! Excuse me, sir, you're violating several FAA regulations. Alright, so that's what we got so far. Hopefully it dries out, but he's gonna get his like stuff up there. You're gonna run the racing quad, right? Yeah, we're gonna get some shots of the racing quad, so I'm gonna go right now and drink some more margaritas. And from Hubert, North Carolina, this is Greg signing off. And have a nice day.